Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to activate your the factoration for the balance of your phone, how you can recharge your balance, and for you through the Play Store. If you want to activate that option to pay the balance for your Play Store, you need to go here in the option of your settings, and you need to pick here in payment and subscriptions. So here you need to go to payment method, and you need to activate the first you need to get register a Visa, a credit card or debit card for that. And after that you need to go to your 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 application for make calls, and you need to consult your balance. This phone don't have an operator for do that, but you consult your balance, and the option is activate here in Play Store. And the only thing you need to do is register your credit or debit card, and that's it. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.